Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is July 28, 2019, where we just don't talk about the news. We see where the news is going to go according to the price chart. We're going to talk about Litecoin and this halving event that is going to occur during the month of August and what type of impact it's going to have as that day approaches. This article was posted to the internet on July 26, 2019, written by Solomon, and it goes into trying to build up the excitement of what to expect when this event occurs for Litecoin. Thank you all for coming to our channel. Make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification as well to become notified of when we upload this content. And if you want to accumulate as many Bitcoin by trading, then you need to come on over to our website, HueFinancial.com. That's what we do there, is that we trade the market the simplistic way of charting to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you possibly can, or accumulate as many of these other altcoins that will have value going forward. Now you have to sign up, pick one of our packages in order to participate in that. Link will be in the description of the video. So now, Litecoin is the fourth largest cryptocurrency bar market cap, which conforms to price fluctuation, battling other digital currencies in the crypto market, led by, of course, Bitcoin. All right. Now, the first time that Litecoin had its halving event was on August 26, 2015. That led Litecoin into a consolidational phase that came with a rise in price. Litecoin will undergo another halving in 10 days time as of this article being written. How could this benefit Litecoin traders and investors? Literally, all this is telling you is what direction will Litecoin trade before and after that event. Litecoin right here is now very close to a second halving event ever, and much expectation for a likely price uptrend is already in place. So people are expecting Litecoin to move higher because of this event occurring. As you can tell here on my chart, that hasn't happened. All the excitement came in during the month of May into the month of June. Now the starting of July is when the market collapsed for the price of Litecoin. Exactly how Bitcoin undergoes halving, Litecoin as well experiences the same thing every 4 years. After 840,000 Litecoins are mined, the daily supply of miners will be reduced by half. This will mathematically reduce the miners' total supply by 50%. What to expect in 10 days as another Litecoin halving knocks. Litecoin miners presently mine 1 Litecoin per 2.5 minutes with block reward of 25 Litecoins. Now this is expected to decrease by 50%. This will equally result in significant reduction in supply, which would positively impact the price of the digital currency. That is hypothetical and an estimation. Litecoin miners would be at the losing side when Litecoin price falls below the break-even point, which this article does not go into. We don't know what the break-even point is in Litecoin. The Litecoin community members are earnestly awaiting the benefits which the much talked about event could bring. Enthusiasts and investors of the cryptocurrency have been echoing this for months. That's the reason why you can see this uptrend Litecoin has been in on this price chart. So here's someone who tweeted the halving event coming for Litecoin. Today is only 10 days until Litecoin halving. Litecoin has only had one halving to date, which occurred on August 26, 2015. At the time, it led Litecoin into a consolidational phase before it slowly started to rise in value. It would be interesting to follow it on its second halving. And he got a time clock right here, countdown. August 5th, 2019 is when the block reward halving will occur. 18 people were talking about that tweet. 58 people loved the tweet. So people are paying attention to Litecoin and what impact it's going to have before the event. Looking at our price chart, you can tell that we anticipated Litecoin to move to the downside from our last video, which was on the 22nd of July. For full transparency, you can go back on our channel and look at that video where we stated that Litecoin is going to move lower. We only had the market holding some support right there around $90. You can tell from yesterday's trading that Litecoin came all the way down here, $85 and around 55 cents. Would have been 11.08% profit in that move to the downside in Litecoin. So now, going forward, since that is a profitable trade, you guys can see right here that we expected it to move to the downside. Let's get rid of it. And let's talk about it. No action is coming to the market for today. You can tell that by the volume. Looking here at the weekly chart, you can tell that the trend that Litecoin has been following for numerous weeks of trading above this ascending line was in fact broken for the week of July 15th. It tried to break above it and come back above that ascending line, and it was unsuccessful. It got rejected, and now the market is still showing us weakness. Two important things occurred this current week as well as last week. Okay. First, market tried to break that ascending line, rejected. Market tried to break above this resistance line, rejected. Two rejections tells you already that the market in Litecoin is not ready to move higher in price. Okay. Specifically on that weekly time frame. Monthly chart, again, very wide spread bars coming in for Litecoin at this particular moment, conclusive of the stockpile that came in for the month of June. So we all are in agreement by the price chart that Litecoin is still weak. Okay. What we're expecting the market to do in Litecoin for the time being is consolidate. $92 to be resistance. Maybe even where we are now for resistance. But all in all, look how dry that volume is for Litecoin. Tells you that we're not getting a lot of agreement in Litecoin moving higher. Okay. And don't forget this massive spread bar that came into the market in Litecoin now. Previously right here. That tells you again that this coin is not that strong. Okay. So according to the points already made, we're still looking at Litecoin moving to the downside. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to create another sell position into the market for Litecoin. I'm going to place it right there. And I'm going to hold that resistance coming in around $92.50. And then currently, I'll just keep that there where we are in the market for Litecoin. Maybe around $80 or so, okay? So So we're going to play that on the daily time frame. There's a very slim possibility that it could come up to $95 if we get some strength to really come into the market. But all in all, that trend of consolidation of trading is still in play for Litecoin and the movement to the downside. Okay. So I'm just going to hold it up there around that $95 price for some resistance in the long term. But what occurred yesterday, I'm definitely looking for that market in Litecoin to continue its progression to move lower. Okay. So actually, I'm going to keep it right here. So that's our expectations. The market, according to the price chart, tells us that Litecoin is still going to move lower. August 5th is when the event is supposed to occur for the halving. So we're between that time, we're still looking for that market in Litecoin to move to the downside. Okay. Unless the market has a breakout above $92 tomorrow, back up to around 95, we might have to readjust our forecast for Litecoin. All right. But give us your thoughts, your opinion. Leave a comment in the comment section of this video. Join us, HueFinancial.com, if you want to accumulate more Bitcoin or any other altcoins with promise to date. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.